Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to order a card from Payoneer.com. So when you order cards from Payoneer.com, you can choose from two different card types. One is a virtual card, another one is a physical card. So when you order a card, you just go through the cards option on the left-hand panel. You go to the upper right corner, order new card, choose your currency that you want to order it from, let's say the EU. You can get a virtual card, like I said, or a physical card. For a virtual card, you could just click this and click next and enter your card currency. And then you agree to the card terms and conditions. You can open these links and then you could just order the card, which will be reviewed up to 3 business days. You can also be asked for additional information to have your card approved. So I ordered this earlier today. So it's asking me to provide some information. So the basic information that is going to be asked from you is your proof of address, visual identity, and business details questionnaires. So these are the requirements that's needed to one, open a Payoneer account and also receive the card that you have ordered. If you want to order a physical card, it's going to ask you for a shipping address and ask you for a shipping method. There's standard shipping and express shipping. Express shipping is going to take um, shorter days, and standard shipping would be arriving in about a month. Standard shipping is free. Express shipping has a little bit of a fee, £30. And once you agree to the card terms, conditions, and the prices and fees, you can order your card. And that's it. That's how you order a card from Payoneer.com.